Here's how to sign into Robinhood. If you don't have an account, then you'll click sign up. But if you do have an account, you can just click log in. Now in here, you're going to put in your email and then your password. And so once you type those in, you can log in. If you've forgotten your password or you've forgotten your email or you need access to someone else's account, you can click I need help down here and follow one of those different options. Otherwise, go ahead and click these. Now Robinhood does have two-factor authentication. So you will have some form of secondary authentication that you're going to have to do after you log in here. But once you click that login button, this is where you'll see that you've got to check your other device to verify your identity, or it might be sending a text message. So you might send the text message down here. Because I'm on a different device, it'll actually send it to my main phone, having to open up the app on that other device. And it's going to say, are you meaning to log in? Is that you logging in on a different device? And you basically just say, yes, it's me. And then you can see here on the page, it actually will log us in. And once you've entered the PIN, then you'll be taken to your landing page. And that is how you can sign in or log in to Robinhood.